Alright, so the aim of this project is to develop a CC plus electronic component inventory management system that records component details, calculates total inventory value, classifies stock status, and saves the inventory report for future reference. So we've categorized this coding process into three forms, which is the function declaration, function call, and then function definition. So this is the function declaration, and this part of it is the function call, and then the processing is the function definition. So let me execute and then compile, run everything, and then we proceed to how we use it to. It comes. Enter the number of components types, which is one. Enter the component name. The component name is resistor. Sorry. Enter the number of components type, which is one. Enter the component name resistor. Enter component category, which is passive component. Enter component code, which is R001, R001. Enter quantity, which is 100. Enter price unit 0.50. Enter minimum stock level. The minimum stock level is also 20. Then you proceed. Then it gives you the final processing of the coding. Yeah, so this is what we present to you as a group team of our.
I'm here to present on flowchart on a smart electronic component inventory management system. So with a flowchart, you start, then the next you display title, input number of components, input details, invalid, validate input. So that one we have options, re-enter, valid. If yes, then you calculate component value, determine stock status, add to total inventory value, display component report, save to file, more components. So that one is also a statement. If yes, then you go back, you validate input, then you re-enter. So you go ahead and then display total value. You save the total to file, then you stop. That's all.
PowerPoint presentation for Group 1.6, and our topic is Smart Electronic Component Inventory Management System. I go by the name Bryce Sechama, and I'm the presenter. So, this is a quick overview of our presentation.
My name is Frederick Kamina, and I'm here to present the algorithm of a smart electronic inventory management system. So one, you start, and then two, display project title, and then three, input number of components. Four, look through each component. Five, validate input, and then six, calculate component value. And then seven, you determine stock status. And then eight, add to total inventory value. And then nine, you save report to file. And then 10, you stop.
And yeah, and what I did. So pseudo literally means it literally means a fake language that bridges the gap between how humans think and how computers think. Yeah. So without much ado, first, sorry, this is the PDF our lecture sent to us, and this is the aim of the project. The aim of the project is to develop a C++ electronic component inventory management that system that records component details, calculate total inventory value, classify stock status, and saves the inventory report for future. And this is my C++